Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Now moving on to the next sentence. Let's have a look at the vocabulary and see what we need to understand in here. So, Kana Ibrahim ya'rifu. So, ya'rifu is from which bab? From daraba yadribu. Arafa ya'rifu ma'rifatan, to recognize. Or you can also translate it as to know. To recognize, to know. Okay. Asnam, we know asnam. But the new word here is hijaratun. So the singular word is hajarun, which means stone or rock. Stone or rock are similar. There's a technical scientific difference, but not enough for me to figure out for one Google search, so I just left it. So stone and rock is similar. The plural of hajar is ahjar, hijar and hijara. So three different plurals. So one verb, one noun can have 2, 3, even 4 plurals. Some verbs can have 3, 4 masdars. So even here, why would you have different plurals? For example, in poetry, you want to match. If you have different patterns, it will be easier. Okay? And we'll discuss that a bit more detail as we go further in Nahwa. Okay, so 2 new words are arafa ya'rifu ma'rifatan, to recognize, and hajarun, jama' ahjar, hijarun or hijaratun, is stone or rock. Oh no, I got the wrong class. I got electric class by mistake. What's this? Socket. This is my sentence. Fail, fa'il, and this is maf'ul. Right? This is my computer. Computer can fit in here. Monitor can fit in here. And what can fit in here? Huh? Internet or the modem. Yeah. What about my phone? How do you charge the phone? So we've got a sentence, we've got fa'il, fa'il and maf'ul. But let me give you a sentence. I know that you are sick. I know that you are sick. So what's the maf'ul? What's I? Fa'il. No is? Fa'il. What's the maf'ul? That you are sick. That can't fit in there, can it? So no can fit in there, one word. I will fit in there. How's that going to fit in there? That's meant, these starts off for one word, aren't they? So what do you have to do? Huh? Use an adapter. Get one of these. No, seriously. It's very important. It's simple. What is this? It's an adapter. And this is what? Anna. This whole adapter is called anna, or an will come later on. What happens now? You got more slots. So now this an will then allow you to fit a whole sentence, because it's a new sentence now, isn't it? This whole sentence can now fit into that one slot. So the whole sentence fits into one maf'ul slot or one fa'il slot. Do you understand? So now, I know, and then this is the that adapter. A new sentence now, mubtada khabar. You are sick. Do you understand? So let's use the same example we have now. Let's say, I know that Azar, or let's say Ibrahim knew that Azar sold idols. So we say what's fa'il? Yeah, arafa. This is arafa. Arafa Ibrahimu. It's not going to fit in there. So you say anna. Anna, so arafa Ibrahimu anna. And then and this is what? Like inna. Hazafa ism. So anna azara yabi'u. So this whole jumla ismiya, the jumla ismiya fits is maf'ul. Do you understand the concept? Okay? And whilst we're here, as mentioned now, if the sentence after it is jumla ismiya, use anna for jumla ismiya. For jumla ismiya. Or for jumla fi'liya, use an. And we need practice for this. I don't want to go into too much detail now, but just keep this in mind. Okay, so you get 2 different voltage. You get 10, 20 volts and 30 volts.
In sentence, if you see and, then you can straight away say that part is.
That the an and anna and the part after it becomes part of the main sentence. Is a main sentence and is a sub sentence. So let's go back to our. So let's use an example. So ta'rifuhum. What's the tarkib of this? What translation? Ta'rifu.
Knowing him.
No, you know them. Okay. Is a maf'ul one word or sentence? One word. Ya'rifunahu. They recognize him. Who? So this becomes what maf'ul is one word. Maf'ul is one word. Ya'rifuna ni'mat Allah. They recognize the blessings of Allah. So the maf'ul again is two words, but it can fit because mudaf alayhi becomes one slot. Okay? Ta'rifu fi wujuhihim nadrat an-na'im. So again, there's a muta'alliq form first, and the maf'ul comes at the end. But it's still one slot. Now you see the problem comes. Yahsabun, hasiba yahsabu, who can remember from sarf? To think. So yahsabun, what does that mean? They, not thought, is they think, but not one thing, they think a whole sentence. So you have to bring anna. And this whole thing becomes what now? Maf'ul. So they think, anna means what? That, whom is what? They. And because next to me I have the hidden word is or are. And muhtadu means guided. They think they are guided. Tabayyana, to become clear. Okay? So became clear. What became clear? This is a fa'il. The whole sentence becomes what here now? A fa'il. And this is a muta'alliq of the fa'il.
But then we have the other phrases. Why do you use the adapters?
Because the phrases can join together to fit in one slot. A sentence can't join together to fit in one slot. It needs an adapter. Usually, not all the time, but many times. Okay? You following? So, how do you translate this? So, tabayyana, you have to say here. You can't say, this became, you have to add in the word it. It became clear. Lahum. Lahum, for them or to them. And anna means what? That. They. And then because you have to add is and are, is or are, they are. Ashabul Jahim. People of mudaf alayh, of the hell. Fine, the whole tafsir is another issue altogether. But you get the concept? So now to our sentence. Who's going to read it? Stop. Bismillah. Wakana Ibrahimu.
Yeah. There it is.
Is what? Is it Ibrahim or Ibrahim? I see. I'm not sure. If I just say, huh? Just change. Are you sure? Not Ibrahima. Yeah, it's Ibrahimu. Because what is the ism of kana? So ism of kana is, you can think of it as well, it would have been a file originally, wouldn't it? But it's changed to ism. So it has to be what? Marfu. Wa kana Ibrahimu. Which bab is it from? Arafa ya'rifu. Kana Ibrahimu ya'rifu annal asnama. Because anna is just like inna. They both make the word after it mansoob. And the one at the end becomes marfu. The ism becomes mansoob and the khabar becomes marfu. To annal asnama hija. Why is it tun?
Because the word after the khabar of inna or anna is always
good. So it's hijara tun. Translation? Okay, let's do you want to translate? Bismillah. So let's do translation. Ibrahim
used to know.
Ibrahim. Why get used to? So ya'rifu plus kana equals used to.
Ibrahim used to know that
idols or the idols.
That the idols.
He's talking about the idols in his community.
the idols.
Or you can have the idols as well. That all idols in the whole world generally. The idols. So you can put the if you want to or not. It's up to you.
Where rocks or stones.
You can you can put were or are. Either because were because you're talking about past tense, or he knew that in the present. So were or are both will be. It's a bit technical. That he knew that idols were or are stones. Right, correct. One thing is grammatically in English, you can't say I used to know. You say I knew. So even though in technically speaking it's past habitual, but you don't say he used to know. What do you say? You say what? He knew. So you say, you change this when you say Ibrahim knew. So even though it's supposed to be it's past, but you call it progressive verbs. And progressive verbs in English don't come in I was knowing, or I used to know. It's I knew, or I know. Do you understand? Okay? Right. So where is it here? Ibrahim asnama hijaratun. I got a question. Why is it not asnama tu hijaratun? Why don't they match? Nope. Asnama is not feminine.
Jama' ghayr akil.
Yes, if they both plural, why don't you have asnama tu?
It's jama' ghayr akil.
So?
So if it's a non-living thing and it's a plural.
Okay, what's the rule of mubtada khabar? That's a translation. In terms of matching, why do I need to match? Exactly. You don't put asnama because the mubtada and khabar only have to match when the khabar is an adjective. So hijara, is that big or small, or is it a noun? It's a noun. So because it's a noun, they only have to match in what? I'rab. Well, they don't have to match in number or gender. So this is plural. And this is what? That's plural as well. Okay. This is masculine. And this is what? Okay. It doesn't matter. For example, if I say, let me give you a really good example. If I say, Al-awladu ni'matun. Awlad are, children are. This is plural. And ni'ma is what? Singular. This is masculine. This is feminine. This is masculine. Yeah. Okay? So, because this is a noun. Because it's a noun, it doesn't need to match in muzakkar muannas. Only if you have, for example, you say al-awladu. For example, you say salihuna. Yeah, al-awladu mujtahiduna. They are lazy or active or whatever. Okay? You understand? When there's adjectives, these are adjectives. You understand? You following? Okay? So this is a tarkib. Fa'lu naqis. And now what happens? Ibrahim is an ism and this whole sentence becomes what? The khabar. Yeah? You following? But then the ya'rifu is fa'il fa'il and the maf'ul is also now what? A sentence or a kind of sentence. Anna is harfu mushabbahun bil fa'il. Asnam is what? Ism of inna and hijara is the khabar of inna. So Ibrahim knew or recognized that the idols were stones. You understand? You following? Read Bismillah. Let's go over it. Read it. Yeah, slow, clearly, fluently but clearly.
يعرف أن الأصنام حجارة. Ibrahim knew that the idols are stones.
Okay, read it.
كان إبراهيم يعرف أن الأصنام حجارة.
أن الأصنام حجارة.
أن الأصنام حجارة. Ibrahim knew that the idols were stones.
Do you understand?
كان إبراهيم يعرف أن الأصنام.
No, not أن الأصنام. أن الأصنام.
أن الأصنام حجارة. Ibrahim knew that the idols were stones.
Yeah, everybody understand? So anna is an adapter to make a jumla ismiya become what? Maf'ul or a fa'il to fit in one slot. Okay?
And in the slot it will be ism, anna and khabar.
Yes, ism inna and khabar anna. Okay?
We have this inna.
So anna and inna work.
Yeah, it's a mistake. It's ism of anna. Yeah. G?
Anna and inna work the same way.
Yes, they have ism and a khabar. Inna means indeed, but inna comes at the beginning of the sentence. Okay? So inna is not adapter, inna is for emphasis. Anna is an adapter. Anna and an are adapters. Yeah? Yeah, what's the question?
خبر of inna.
Suppose khabar of anna. Yeah, my mistake. Ism of anna and khabar of anna. Yeah? Got it? Any other questions? سبحان الله بحمدي سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ونشهد لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك.